As such, this center is the state umbrella as envisaged by RBI in the National Umbrella Report. Over the 3 years, we have been able to give training to our bank employees on different sections. First, they are called at our conference room. There we give them training pertaining to banking sector. If they require our services at particular location, our team members are going to banks and there they give particular training to technology and other related matters. Third thing is we invite competent people from all over country to enhance their experience of banking and whatever challenges they are facing in the present day scenario. As such, our second area of activity is research, where we have started researching on various subjects. One pertinent subject is regarding lagging in technology by UCBs. So, what are the reasons and how they should come up with latest technological innovations that we have started, and I am glad to inform you that all our UCBs, they are 220 in number, they are now on CBS platform and now we are taking them to the second stage of technology. For all these aspects, we are ready to impart knowledge and training to our member bankers and to those who are interested in this sector. Third area is regarding developmental activities. So, we insist our banks that not only credit portfolio, but non-interest portfolio like mutual fund and insurance business also should be taken up by them, and they are also advancing in that sector. That way we train them and we also advise them so that their area of operation, their area of activity and their area of knowledge enhances. When you compare our cooperative sector with commercial and private banks, one thing you must have noticed that our employees, they know the subject, but so far as market thrust is concerned, they are found lacking. So, we want to create a platform on which they will be able to compete with private sector and especially private banks. For that purpose, we not only give them training in banking sector, but we also give them training on personality development, communication, managerial roles and how to sell their market products to all these customers. That is the biggest challenge.